Welcome and welcome back to Mrs. G's Living. I am Mrs. G. So in today's video, we have a new hair care product review. So I am going to be trying Amika Hydro Dream Travel Size Kit, which includes the shampoo, the conditioner, the leave-in conditioner, and the overnight treatment. So if you wanted to see or were considering purchasing these products to see how it works on natural 4C hair, so this is the video for you. So please stay tuned. So I actually detangled my hair prior to getting into the shower. That's why you see it in these twists. What I realized is that when I detangle prior to getting into the shower, I get less fairy knots. However, I'm a lazy natural, so I may or may not detangle prior to. I may detangle while I have the conditioner in. Regardless, the detangling process is going to happen somewhat during the process. So anyway, I'm just saturating my hair in water and preparing it to apply the shampoo. So this is a hair catcher that I got from Amazon. I use it whenever I am washing my hair in the shower so it can catch the hair so the hair does not clog my shower drains. So this is me taking out the shampoo. It is, the packaging, you know, maybe because it was arm day, that my arms were too weak to actually open it, but it was just challenging to open, as you can see. So I bought the Amika's travel size or mini set from Sephora. It retailed for $30. The mini set shampoo is 2 full ounces, and the standard size, which is 9.2 fluid ounces, retails for $26. So I actually love the smell of this shampoo and this overall line. It's very refreshing. It feels like summer and spring in a bottle. Now, I can honestly say that the shampoo was perfection. I was actually really impressed. I was impressed with the smell. Then I was impressed with how it sudsed. I also was impressed on how it penetrated my hair. A little went a long way. Now, I can tell you from the travel size, you'll probably get 2 washes out of it, but I am prepared to go back and buy the standard size. That's how much I'm impressed with the initial product. The shampoo is described as a shampoo that gently cleanses, deeply hydrates, nourishes, and infuses an extra dose of antioxidants. It's ideal for thick, coarse, dehydrated hair that has difficulty absorbing moisture. I am washing it out, and I can say that it left my ringlets bouncy. As you can see, there are less fairy knots than in my previous videos. As I say, when I detangle prior to wash day, I get less fairy knots, so I should definitely do that often. So I'm going to wash my hair a second time and then come back to show you how it looks. So I can indeed tell you that my hair feels cleansed without feeling stripped. My hair feels hydrated, moisturized. This was probably one of the best shampoos I've tried thus far. It has just knocked Beyonce's Sacred down to number 2, which is a hard feat, but it has done it. It's right there at number 1. So let's see if the conditioner lives up to the shampoo hype. Now, I like the packaging as far as applying the products to my hair because it's not like in a container, more of a squeezable package. It's easy to apply to the hair, but I'm saying as far as opening the tops, them tops are difficult, especially if your hands are wet to open up. The safety seal is on there tightly. The conditioner deeply hydrates, nourishes, and infuses an extra dose of antioxidants. It's ideal for thick, coarse, dehydrated hair that has difficult absorbing moisture. Use it, massage through wet hair, rinse, avoid contact with eyes. I don't know how I'm supposed to do that, but ooh, it's sticky thick. It's thick. The standard size conditioner at 9.2 fluid ounces retails for $26. So my first reaction to the conditioner, I would rate it like a 3.5 or a 4 out of 5. It is definitely penetrating my hair. I can feel that it is adding moisture and definitely hydration back to my hair, but I actually want to wash it out to see. So far so good. I'm using it to like lightly detangle my hair, but so far so good. I'm impressed. So I would still leave the conditioner rating at a 3.5 or 4. It did nourish my curls, as you can see, added hydration to it. But I don't know. I wish that in the packet they would have put their deep conditioner. They do have a deep conditioner. I just bought it, so I'm waiting for it to come in the mail from Sephora. But I feel like for the travel size, it should have been included in the travel size set. That's just my opinion. So right now I'm just gonna, deep condition, because I haven't deep conditioned my hair in a while with cream of nature. And then I'm gonna go into the next steps or process in the Amika Hydro Dream set. So we are back to use the other products in Amika Hydro Dream routine trial set. So I'm excited because I really enjoyed the shampoo as well as the conditioner. So in this set, they also have the Dream Routine Overnight Hydration Treatment, as well as the Intense Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. My hair smells good. It feels amazing. The standard size of the leave-in is 6.7 ounces. It retails for $29. It is described as a leave-in conditioner with hyaluronic acid that drenches hair with 3 times more hydration and long-lasting moisture while detangling. It's very fresh. It has a fresh and clean scent to it. So just to recap, I would give the shampoo a 5 out of 5. I felt like it hydrated my hair to perfection. I know my 4C, there's this misconception that because our hair is a kinkier texture, that it's dry. But to me, my hair looks dry, even though it's moisturized. Like when you touch it, it's moisturized. So I just wanted to try the hydration set. Next time I'm going to try the repair set because I've been using a lot of repair shampoo and conditioner and I wanted to try something different and I'm glad I did. I would give it a 5 out of 5. The conditioner, I would also give a 5 out of 5 because it did leave my curls bouncy, refresh, replenish. I'm going to be honest with you. I have been doing reviews on natural hair products for more of kinkier texture girls, and right now leading the pack. So I think this line has bumped Beyonce out of the top. So beforehand it was Tia's products, then Beyonce came with the shampoo and conditioner, bumped Tia down, her shampoo and conditioner. A little bit further down, I still want to try her styling products. Now this brand, their shampoo and conditioner has bumped Beyonce down. So it's now Amika, Beyonce, and Tia. Now, as far as styling products, no one has beat TGIN. Like, no one has come close. So, I'm waiting to find a brand that everything is top tier. Like, everything. So, this leave-in smells well. I don't know. I don't really like spray-on leave-ins. I much prefer the creamy leave-ins where, but if I had to rate this as far as leave-ins and compare it to another leave-in, so the only other leave-in spray conditioner that I have is what is it called? Nature's Cream of Nature. And I would honestly say I kind of prefer this more than Cream of Nature. So I'm going to give this, it's detangling, it's doing what it needs to do. I'm just, because it's a spray, I'm kind of like, it's not my cup of tea. But I would give this a 3.5 out of 5 because it did detangle and do what it needed to do. And it smells amazing. I am going to then use, now they're saying that this Dream Routine is an overnight hydration. and that you can use it on, you know, dry, or I'm using it now because I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm not gonna use it overnight. I'm just gonna be honest with you. I'm just really not gonna use it overnight. I'm not.
So the Dream Routine
So
Overnight Hydrating Hair Mask.
In this routine.
Standard size is 3.3 ounces. It retails for $32. It is described as a hyaluronic acid infused overnight hair treatment mask that boosts moisture for 72 hours and results in hair that is 3 times more hydrated by morning.
I'm excited. And usually I don't get excited about hair care products like that. Like, it takes a lot for me to get excited, but I'm excited to try other things from this brand because it was just, I heard about the leave-in mask, I think it was, but that's all I heard good things about. So, but I'm excited now based on these products, and that's what you want. So definitely try the travel set, the trial set before spending your money. Okay, I'm not impressed by that. It's all right. I would give that, this is my least favorite product. I would give that a 3.3 out of 5. That's my least favorite product. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back and I'm going to do like a lazy natural twist out and then come back. But so far so good. This product line is great. As I said, my least favorite is definitely going to have to be this, but maybe because I'm using it right after, it's not reaping the benefits. Overnight hydration treatment. Yeah, so I'm gonna come back to you.